Hello, I'm from Team Creatr, and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect Firebase with Creatr projects to store your data in Firebase DB and also make use of Google Auth. So let's get right into it. I'm at the moment giving a simple prompt to create a to-do app which will store the data in Firestore and add Google authentication to our project. Okay, so I'll give the prompt and our AI will detect that user is requesting for database and auth. So first, let's go ahead and connect Firebase database with Creatr. So for these, I'll show you all the steps required. Click on the CTA, toggle this, and now we need to get this config. To get this config, we need to head right to Firebase. I have it open here. So you can go ahead and sign up to Firebase. Will be presented on this screen, wherein you need to click on create a Firebase project. Once you click on this, we need to name the project. Let's say to-dos. Yep. Click on this. We don't need this. Click on create project. It will take some time to create the project. Let's wait for it. Yep. So our Firebase project is ready. Let's click on continue. It will take us to our project dashboard, which is like this. Now we'll go ahead and create a database for our app. So how we can do this is click on the build option here, head to Firestore database. Once you click on this, there's an option. Let's wait for it to load first. Yep. So we need to create a database. So let's click on create database. You can select regions, whichever region you want to select. I'll let it be US and click on next. Always start in production mode. Click on create. This will actually create a DB for our project that we created to-dos. So let's wait for it to provision. Yep. So now our database is created and it's empty as you see. Now what we need to do is we need to get the config here so that Creatr can talk to the database. So for this, we need to head to project settings, go to service accounts. Here we will get a file. I'll just show you in a second. Yeah. So once this loads up, make sure that Node.js is selected. All we have to do is click on this generate new private key option. So once we click on this and click on generate private key, it will download a key for us. You can just click on this. It will open the file. All we have to do is copy the entire file, head back to Creatr, paste the entire file as is, save the configuration. Now we can go ahead and connect the Firebase. So what it will do is it will basically connect the Firebase database with Creatr project that you are trying to build. So let's wait for it to connect, and it will show a pop-up once it is successfully connected. So yeah, let's wait for it. Yep. So the connection is successful. So we have successfully connected Firebase database with the Creatr project. Next, we will go ahead and add Firebase auth to our project. So how we can do that is click on this Firebase, click on the CTA connect Firebase auth. In this project, we have Firestore already enabled and we are trying to enable Firebase auth. For this, what we need to do is again get a config from Firebase console. So we go back to Firebase. We have this project. To-dos. What we need to do is go on build, click on authentication. So once we are on this page, let's click on get started. So this will take you to a page where we can enable Google Auth for our app. So now I'll go ahead and select Google Auth. So once we select Google Auth, we need to enable this. So once we enable, we need to select email. You'll see your email ID here. Click on that and click on save. Let's wait for it to process. Yep. So this provider is enabled. Now we need to do one last step, that is go to project settings. As this is a web app, what we need to do is basically click on this icon here. We need to give a nickname to it. Let's again give to-dos, register the app. It will take some time. Yep. So the app is registered. And once it is registered, you see we get a Firebase config. All we need to do is copy this entire object up till here. This entire object from starting from here to this bracket. Inside the curly bracket, head back to Creatr, paste the config, save the configuration, and we need to click on connect Firebase. So what it will do is now it will go ahead and connect auth for our app. So let's wait for it to connect. Yep. So Firebase integration is done. And now, as you see, we have applied the integrations and we are proceeding with the generation of the app. So let's wait for the generation to wrap up and then I'll show you the functionality. So now as you can see, the code writing part is done. We are just validating. So let's wait for this step to wrap up. We have our to-dos which we wanted to make. It has Google Auth. So for Google Auth to work, we need to do one last step, that is authorize the domains. So you will see here, just go ahead and copy the text that you see after the first this basically the domain name. We need to copy the domain name, head over to Firebase. We need to click on authentication tab, then go to settings tab, and here we'll see an option of authorized domains. So if you click on this add domain, we need to give https:/this. Yep. So once this is done, what we need to do is basically now we can also open this in a new tab. I'm going to open this in a new tab where you can see our app better. Let it load. Okay, I'm already logged in. Yep. So this is the signed out state. Let me go ahead, click on sign in with Google. Yep. So this is the login state. You can see I am logged in with my ID. Now all we need to do is basically I can go ahead and create a to-do, say basically grocery shopping. Yep. I'll click on the date, add the task. So this should successfully add the task. Now if I log out and come back again, I should still be able to see my to-dos. Let's see. Yeah, so this is how it works. So we have successfully connected Firebase database and Firebase auth with our Creatr project.